How to find similar images using Google Lens. So hello guys, if you have any pic that has a lot of version but you don't know where you will find that versions, so how you guys can use Google Lens for that pic similar pics. So for that we will simply go to Google Lens. So if you guys don't have Google Lens, you guys can download it from Play Store. Once we open Google Lens, here you guys will see open camera and your gallery folder. In my phone it says screenshot, but in your phone it will be different folder. So for example, I have that pic, so I want to find that type of similar images. I will simply click on that pic. After that it will tell me what is the pic. Like you guys can see this image shows yellow rabbit. Also you guys will see visual matches. So in visual matches you guys will see a lot of pics that are related to that pic and that are available online. So basically Google Lens search for all the pics that are available online related to the pic that you search for. Thanks for watching.